So guys, I made the video and wished my parents-in-law happy anniversary, and someone commented and said, "Shy, so true love still exists. Congratulations." Sweetheart, yes, true love still exists. I want to tell you something. You know, in marriage, it's not easy. But for you to have this successful marriage, you need to be prayerful. That is number one thing. You need to be prayerful. You need to pray. When I mean pray, you need to be prayerful. You need to forgive. You need to adjust. You need to be a fool. You must be a fool in marriage just to make your partner happy. If you can't be a fool in marriage, then you will not make a successful marriage. With all these things, I think you can, okay, sweetheart, marriage is a good thing. Thank you.